What is up, guys? It's your boy Brian here. We're back with another banger. Today we're gonna be doing a little POV driving. We got my Mustang right here, sitting super clean. I just cleaned it today. It's been about a week since I took it out, so it's looking clean right now. We're gonna do a little POV driving. So you guys can see with my super loud Mustang behind me. I'm currently going to the gym as well, so we'll get that out of the way. We'll give you guys a little cool start and we'll get everything going for you guys. But if you guys do enjoy the video and everything, make sure to like and subscribe for more bangers like this. Get ready for this Catalyst Coyote to hear some streaming. Let's give you guys a cool start. All right, guys, let's take a little drive now that we're getting on here. Let's throw this bad boy into, we're gonna throw it into first gear right now. Make sure there's no cars coming anywhere. We're chilling. Let's hear this puppy roar. You guys hear that puppy roar right there? It sounds super loud, super crazy. Let's take a chill right now though, because we are in the neighborhood, and then once we can, we'll step on it. But as you guys know, you gotta respect your neighborhood here and there. Unless you got some neighbors that you really don't like, then you know what? Do whatever you want, but I'm not trying to cause any problems here, especially with how many times the cops have been called just because how loud my car is. We don't want any of that anymore, you guys know? But anyways, guys, this is my 2022 Ford Mustang. If you guys are new to the channel, this is my 2022 Ford Mustang, 315 years. I got it on airbags right now. We have full bolt-on, so header, Cintiq, and a tune is what I got going on with it. We have everything going on with it. I just got a brand new pair of tires as well, so it's gonna be good once we'll try to hit a dig. I haven't hit a dig in a very long time, but there is also a lot of cars. But the car is basically, I got 58,000 miles on the car. I did the modifications right around 35,000, so I'm probably 10,000 miles with the car as modified. It brakes next, as you guys can see. Let's see if I can drive somebody right now. But yes, look, like, I don't know if you can see right there, but all those people right there break their neck for the Mustang. After this house, I'm gonna show you guys a bit of a pull. We'll do a 50 roll, we'll do a 40 roll, we'll do a 60, and that way you guys can see what a full bolt-on Mustang or 91 could really do. Especially, also, you guys do know it's pretty loud in here. I don't know how good the camera's catching it, but my setup, I get a lot of comments asking, what's your setup, what am I doing, how's my car set up, and why is this house so loud? It's that Mustang sound that doesn't get old. So my setup is, I have a Corsa double edge pipe. I'm cadless. I have no mufflers or anything like that, and I'm basically straight pipe, to be honest. That's it. I don't have a Corsa Extreme or anything besides a Corsa double edge pipe. Is what I do have, the double edge pipe from Corsa, which sounds super good. That's the first mod that I did as far as like exhaust wise, and then I did a muffler delete. But let's get back to it, guys. Show you guys this puppy and see what it does. We're gonna throw it again into first gear. We'll wait for these cars to pass. That way we can do a better roll. But because yeah, there's cars coming from that way over there and this way over here. So we'll wait for these cars to pass, and then I'll see what we can hit. Let's get it, guys. So currently I'm going 20 miles per hour right now. We're in first gear. I could downshift all the way down to first, but if I do that, I'm just gonna spin the whole way. Check this out, guys. Let's do a little 40 roll in second gear. Let's do a 40 roll action. guys, that's a little 40. That was 40 to 85 miles per hour, by the way. Just in a split second, just like that. I love the car. The car handles great. Super loud, as you guys could tell. We're about to pass a part where it echoes super loud as well, so you guys don't want to miss that part right now. Let's roll our windows down again. And nice clean little truck. But you guys don't want to miss that. This is what a Catalyst B8 sounds like. This is what a 5.0 liter B8 sounds like with no cats, nothing, straight pipe B8. There's so many cars and I hope there's no cops. If there is a cop, guys, we're cooked. Because in the town that I live in, apparently they hired like 30 new cops. They hired 30 new cops or so is what I got told. And they're gonna be hot getting people with the toss and everything, so. There's a little downshift action. You guys hear this bad boy? Woo! You guys hear that puppy? Breaking necks everywhere. And we got that little pops to go with it, even better. So you guys can see that lady over there is not very happy. I don't know if you guys can see that good. Oh, talking about cops, there's a sheriff right there. We might be cooked, chat. I'm not even gonna lie. Let's see what he does. Okay, we might be good. I just saw him go straight down, so maybe we're good. Who knows though? You guys did see that cop right there after he was doing a pull? I'm a little scared, but I don't think they're looking. I think they're turning around. So I think we are fine right now. I think we're chilling. But we're at a long red light right now. The semi's getting by. Let's see how it gets by. Pretty sick seeing the semis get by. But we're going to the gym right now. I hope you guys are enjoying this POV driving because we got more on the way. I am going down to the Bay Area sometime soon, so you guys better be ready for some cut-up videos, some white line type of thing. I'm not gonna be the one driving. Oh shoot, what is that? J? I don't know what J is, to be honest. We don't want to scare the little kid right there, but they did get a little scared. That's just a problem. I mean, the car's super loud. It could be really loud, and then I could have it super quiet when I want to be quiet. But I mean, we're doing a POV driving. Why not be loud? Pulling here, and then that way you guys can see. Oh, a little low, but we're fine. We didn't hit. We are chilling, guys. Let's see what we got. There we go. See you guys one last little pull. This bad boy, if I had a POV of driving outside, you guys would see it go, dun, dun, dun. You slip up and down, up and down. Just the way the airbag and everything is set up, that's the way it handles sometimes. So roll the windows up though, but I'm pulling into the gym, guys. If you guys did enjoy this type of vlog and you guys want to see more, let me know. I'm more than happy to make this type of videos, and I wanna make videos, bangers every day for you guys. So whatever you guys do enjoy, drop it down in the comments, leave a like. It means a lot to me. It tells me that you guys like this type of content. So I'll keep making all the bangers that I can for you guys. I do appreciate all of you guys. Thanks for supporting the channel as always. Make sure to go check out the Instagram, 5.0 Brian, and the TikTok, same thing, 5.0.Brian. Appreciate all of you guys. Leave a like and subscribe on this video if you guys did enjoy. You guys take care and have a great day.